Imagine you're in this beautiful exotic place, you're taking photographs and you're very much inspired in taking those pictures, and then suddenly your camera stops working or it wouldn't take another photograph. Isn't that frustrating? If you want to avoid this hassle or interruption or delay, I want you to have these 3 things in your camera bag. What are these? Continue to watch. This is Jay Alonso from learnfromjaya.com. Have you ever been stressed turning on, turning off your camera because you're running low on battery power? Especially when you shoot in live view, that means you're using your camera's back LCD as a viewfinder, or when you keep on reviewing your photographs or your shots every now and then or after each take, and especially when you're taking videos, that will definitely eat up a lot of battery power. You may not have considered getting an extra battery when you bought your camera, but having an extra battery is a lifesaver. Have you ever wasted time selecting, choosing, and then deleting photographs while you're on a tour or while you're on a photo shoot because you run out of memory space? Well, this is the reason why the second item must be an extra memory card. And even if you have a big capacity memory card, it's still better and wise to have an extra memory card in your bag. Like when I go on a multi-day trip or travel, I would shoot with memory card A, and then the following day or the second day, memory card B, even if memory card A is not yet completely filled up, and then third day, memory card A again, and then fourth day, memory card B, and so on and so on. The reason for this is because what if you lose your memory card? What if your memory card gets corrupted? Or what if your camera gets stolen with your memory card? Then definitely you will lose all the photographs that you have taken. And the third item that you must have in your camera bag, the cleaning kit. And the cleaning kit is comprised of these 2 items at least: a blow brush and a lens tissue. Although you can still shoot without these, well, a dirty lens will give you a not so good quality photo. So the blow brush is what we use to blow off dust off the lens surface. The lens tissue is what we use to wipe off any stubborn dirt or fingerprint on the lens surface. So basically this is a soft, smooth piece of paper. And this is disposable, so we throw this away after using it. So it's only good for one use. We don't use the flannel cloth that comes with, let's say, your sunglasses, because you don't wash this every day. So whatever dirt that you have here, you're just putting it back when you wipe it on your lens. However, we can use this to clean the camera body. So if you want to have a smooth, hassle-free, no-delay photo shoots, then I recommend you must have these 3 items in your camera bag: extra battery, extra memory card, and a cleaning kit. So thank you for watching. This is Jay Alonso from learnfromjaya.com.